If you're coming into Vancouver International Airport and are planning to rent a car and pick it up at the airport, I'll show you how to get there, straight from your plane, here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Once you get off the plane and walk down the walkway to your gate, all you need to do from here is follow the signs. If you're arriving from outside of Canada, then you need to follow the signs to customs. Once you pass and you leave customs, you will then walk through glass doors and walk to the right to find your carousel to retrieve your luggage. If you're coming from Canada, then follow these signs. On the far right is the directions for baggage claim. Follow down straight ahead as the arrow wants you to go. Eventually, you'll come to some glass doors, and you walk through. If you have luggage to pick up, continue down the escalator. From here, you will find your luggage at a carousel. And when you're set to go to the car rental, you leave the baggage claim, and if you walk further down, you will see this sign. Above pointing to get to the car rentals, you'll need to take the escalator down. From here, follow the signs, and it will lead you outside. Make sure you have made a rental online before showing up, or the process could take a while, and depending the time of year, you may not get what you want. No one wants to overpay or come up empty. Make sure the road is clear, and then you can cross the street. As you cross, you'll see a doorway, and above it shows all the rental companies you will find here. From here, let's go downstairs and enter the building. Follow the arrow where your rental is, and then go down to the rental company. Once you have your papers and key in hand, find your car and enjoy Vancouver. Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking for things to do in Vancouver, check out these videos and check out all of my videos. And please subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.